Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to install error 0x800f081f on Windows 11 using simple and effective steps. First, we will repair system files using built-in tools. Right-click on the Start menu and choose Command Prompt Admin. In the window, type the following command and press Enter. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Wait for the process to complete. This may take a few minutes. Next, type this command and press Enter. SFC/scanno. This will scan and fix corrupted system files. Once both scans are complete, restart your computer. If the error still appears, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Open Settings from the Start menu. Go to System, then click Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. Let the troubleshooter detect and fix any problems automatically. Another common cause of this error is a missing .NET framework version. To enable it, click on the Start menu and search for Turn Windows features on or off. Open it. In the list, find .NET Framework 3.5, including .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Check the box next to it and click OK. Windows will download and install the required files. After completing these steps, restart your system again and try the installation process. Thanks for watching.